Hello. Today, I will be introducing Schoogle to you. Here are the main features of Schoogle that we will be going through today. First, let's go through one of the two main searching functionalities. Search by criteria. From the landing page, we will immediately want to start searching. Next, we want to search by criteria. Here, we can select whichever criteria we want. Let's say I want basketball to be one of the CCAs offered, the type of school to be government school, and the gender of students to be co-ed school. Upon submission, Schoogle will bring us to the results page, which shows the list of schools that matched all our criterias. Here, we have the option to sort our schools alphabetically. See all sorted. If we are interested in a particular school, we can click the button to get more information on the school. The detailed school information page has the school name prominently displayed on top, followed by its detailed information. On the top right, we see a dynamic map of where the school is located. We can drag to see the nearby surrounding, as well as zoom in and out. This map is made with the One Map API. We can click on School website to be redirected to the school's website. Under General Information, there is information about the type of school, school principal, vision, mission, philosophy, culture and ethos. The next chunk of information is the subjects offered by the school, followed by the CCAs offered by the school. The CCAs are categorized into 4 categories: physical sports, visual and performing arts, clubs and societies, and uniformed groups. After that, we can find the contact information for the school, including email, telephone and fax number. Finally, there is information on how to get to the school. It specifies the address of the school, the nearest MRT and bus services. These school information is gathered from the data.gov.sg school directory and information API. Next, let's go through the other searching functionality. Search by name. From the landing page, we will immediately want to start searching. Next, we want to search by name. Here, we type a keyword that we wish to search. For example, I will type in CHIJ. Upon submission, Schoogle will bring us to the results page, which shows the list of schools that contain our keyword. Here, we again have the option to sort our schools alphabetically. See all sorted. If we are interested in a particular school, we can again click the button to get more information on the school. Next, let's look at the sign up functionality. From the landing page, we will choose to create an account. This will bring us to a registration form. The email, password and re-enter password fields are compulsory fields. If we do not fill in any of them, we will be prompted to fill them in before being able to submit the form. First, we have to enter a valid email. If we enter an invalid email address or a password that is too short, we will be instructed to provide the correct inputs upon submission. Now, let's enter a valid email. If we enter a password that does not match the requirements, we will again be told to enter a valid password. Let's now put in a valid password. It is optional to enter a postal code, but let's put one in anyway. Upon submission, we will be redirected back to the login page. Naturally, we will look at the login functionality next. Apart from being redirected after signing up, we can also go to the login page from the landing page. In the login form, the email and password fields are compulsory fields. If we do not fill in any of them, we will be prompted to fill them in before being able to submit the form. If we fill in details of an unregistered email or incorrect password, we will not be able to log in. Now, let's enter the email and password of the account we created earlier. Upon successful login, we will be redirected to a page of our list of saved schools. Since it is a new account, the list is empty as we have not saved any schools yet. Therefore, let's start saving some schools after a search. We will first see how searching by criteria looks while logged in. First, let's quickly log in to the account that we just made. Then, we use the navigation bar to go to search by criteria. Here, let's enter some criterias. Upon submission, we similarly see the list of schools that matched our criterias. However, notice a new sorting by distance option. If we click that, it will sort the schools by distance from the postal code we entered during registration. However, if a user did not enter their postal code during registration, they will not be able to sort by distance. As this is an API call, it might take longer than usual for us to get the sorted list, especially if the list of schools is large. Other than sorting by distance, the new feature that we see here are checkboxes to save schools. We can simply select the schools we wish to save, and click on the Save School button. We will then get a message that the schools we selected has been successfully saved. Next, we will see how the search by name functionality has changed if we are logged in. Again, let us quickly log in to the account that we just made. Then, we use the navigation bar to go to search by name. Now, let's enter a keyword and proceed to submit. Similar to what we have seen in search by criteria, we have a new sorting by distance function. We also now have the option to save the schools that we have selected. Note that we cannot save schools that we have already saved. Finally, we will explore how to unsave schools from our list of saved schools. Let's first log in to our account. Now we can see the schools that we have selected in our previous searches here. Notice that there is an additional sorting option of sorting by saved date. By default, this list of saved school is listed in the order of saved date. Therefore, let us try to first sort the schools alphabetically to see the difference. And then we sort the schools by saved date. If we wish to unsave any of our saved schools, we simply select which schools we wish to unsave and then click on the Unsave Selected Schools button. There. They are now no longer on your list of saved schools. We have come to the end of the Schoogle demonstration. We hope that you have better understood Schoogle's functionalities after this demonstration. Thank you.